So hi guys, myself Shobhit. So recently I've been working with Unified Mentor as an intern in machine learning. So I've developed quite a few models lately, and I had some experience prior to this also. So my experience starts with I have developed a animal classification model, which does classification between animals based on their images, and the model predicts the outcomes like the model is trained on the data sets, and after that it works on training and testing data on what can be possibly uh, some kind of images generated for animals, and it can distinguish between different animals altogether. My second project is an ASL detection project where we detect American Sign Language using convolutional neural networks and computer vision. So what we did in this project is we built a system uh, that can predict which sign we are showing it to. It has given subsequent amount of training images of different hand symbols which are distinguished between each other, and they it just performs operations uh, and classifies which kind of symbol we are representing it to. Next, I've made a mobile pricing model which predicts prices of mobile phones on the basis of different aspects and different parameters that we give it. It has it also Three of my projects also had deployable files which can be deployed and can be seen right through. And my last project is an heart disease predictor which detects which kind of like what's the likelihood of someone having a heart disease, which which having or whom having not a heart disease. So it basically predicts whether a person must be having heart disease based on some parameters that we give it after we train it before we train it. So yeah, so that's the thing, that's the all of my projects, and I had a great experience working with Unify Mentor as an intern, and I hope I'll be having a good future after it. So, and I'll genuinely think that after my internship goes off, I'll get good opportunities from this platform. Thanks.